BP, still parking lot full of cars. Just tow up, man. How'd it get like this? I don't know. I don't know. Just cars everywhere. Cars on top of cars. It's like something out of a movie, man. It's just like something out of a movie. The Ice Age. Ice Age Part 2. Doom, doom, doom. Yeah, but we made it up here to the BP. Just trying to see what's going on out here, man. Got people sleeping in the car for the night. And it's how you doing? It's tow up. I'm about to go on this BP, so I'm on end transmission. It's real out here, man.